Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: Java 11 Plus, a Spring Boot project, and the gateway dependency. Create the project and add Spring Cloud Starter Gateway. This gives reactive routing and filters. Once done, define application. IML and enable actuator endpoints so you can observe routes. Make sure to register configuration properties class if you prefer typed access. Now run the app locally to confirm Spring Boot boots and the gateway bean is created. That verifies the environment before routing work. Next, you implement routing and filtering. In application, IML, declare route ID, predicates path, host, and target URIs so the gateway forwards correctly. This defines the how. Then create filters, a global filter for cross-cutting concerns and route filters for auth or header transformation. Filters run in the reactive pipeline, so use non-blocking calls. Once filters are in place, test end-to-end with curl or postman, inspect logs, and check actuator/routes to confirm mapping and header behavior. Finally, secure and deploy. Add Spring Security or a JWT validation filter to authenticate requests at the gateway. This centralizes auth and reduces downstream load. Configure cores, timeouts, and connection pools to prevent cascading failures. Package the app as a jar or Docker image and deploy behind a load balancer, using health checks and actuator metrics for observability. If something breaks, enable debug logging. Inspect actuator/health and /routes, and validate filters in
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.